Hi, my name is Graciela from Harmony Schools. My project name is Does Lead Have the Same Reaction as Aluminum and Copper Chloride Do? The purpose for this experiment is to find out if lead has the same reaction as aluminum and copper chloride do. My hypothesis was that it would. Since lead is also a metal, they will have the same reaction as aluminum. Also, lead should have a bigger reaction since it's below aluminum in the periodic table. My experiment was later divided into two sections. The materials I used was a 250 milliliter beaker, a piece of lead, 100 milliliters of copper chloride solution, a thermometer, and a spatula. For section 2, the same materials were used, except instead of using 100 milliliters of copper chloride solution, I used 600 milliliters of copper sulfate. I first started with putting 100 milliliters of copper chloride solution in a beaker. I recorded the temperature, which was 200 Celsius. I added the piece of lead to the beaker, pushed it down with the spatula, and then I recorded the temperature again. For section 2, I followed the same steps, this time replacing copper chloride solution with 600 milliliters copper sulfate. The results concluded that my hypothesis was incorrect. There was no change in temperature or any visible change. This is due because the order in which the elements are listed is usually determined by single replacement reaction, which is when a compound reacts with an element, replacing an element in a compound. When it's above it in the periodic table, it can replace any element below it, but not above it. In this case, lead is below copper and chlorine, which is why it does not react. Aluminum does react because it's above copper and chlorine. My social studies connection is the evolution of copper and how it's been used throughout time. My ELA component is a newspaper style, as I can do articles of the chemicals and materials that were used. Thanks for watching Harmony Schools.